about to meet up with Gio. I was supposed to help him with the header and catback install on his car, but I overslept.
I don't even know why you're smiling.
Huh?
I don't even know why you're smiling.
What Because this is gonna be our first YouTube video.
What do you mean? You missed out the whole episode, bro.
I know I missed on the whole episode. So you're gonna show me what it sounds like right now? Alright, tell me what you did to your car today, my boy. I know I overslept for it. I'm so sorry.
Put on Skunk2 headers.
Skunk2 headers.
Unequal leg headers.
Okay.
Catalyst.
Okay.
Yeah, put on Spec-D Catback exhaust.
Spec-D Catback. Alright, let's hear it then.
It's right here.
Alright, let's listen to it.
This is not cold start, this is just regular.
Alright.
I just came from the shop I went to.
Regular start. Oh damn. Sounds dope.
This is 3K. That's just 3,000, not even 3,000.
You swear?
That shit pops.
That was a little under 3,000?
Yeah.
You're lying. Really?
Yeah.
Let's take it for a spin. So tell me what's up with the car then.
It's just fucking loud.
It's loud? Yeah, I'm done.
I feel like it has
More horsepower?
no, not horsepower.
More torque? You're kidding, man. Dude, it's so loud. So what's up with that that $1,000 fine? Are you scared of it or no?
Nah, bro. It's not even $1,000, but nah, bro. I'm a hot boy.
You're a hot boy?
Nah, I'm not a hot boy. I'm a little race boy.
You're a little race boy? It's
Yeah.
crazy. It's loud. It's a lot louder than I had expected, honestly.
Yeah, me too.
Oh man. It sounds good though. I like the sound. It sounds good. Oh no. Man, this thing sounds crazy.